Hello and welcome. You have assembled, squared, and connected your CNC mill to the computer. In this fourth segment, we're going to load a file, bring it into EMC, and have our CNC mill cut it out. Let's get started. Place your work on the table in the desired position. I will be using a 2 3/4 wide by 7 inch long by 3/4 inch thick piece of high density polyethylene. Thread the stud into the extended T-nut. Place the washer and nut on the stud. Place the step clamp onto the step block and work. And then tighten. What is G-code? G-codes are also called preparatory codes and are any word in the CNC program that begins with the letter G. Generally, it is a code telling the machine tool what type of action to perform, such as rapid move, controlled feed move in a straight line or arc, series of controlled feed moves that would result in a hole being bored, a workpiece cut routed to a specific dimension, or a decorative profile shape added to the edge of a workpiece. Changing a pallet, and set tool information such as offset.